Please do not mind my hair. But anyway, I came here with some exciting news. I finally went to Dragon City and I came back with what? This. I can't find my recap, so let me wear it immediately before Linjaja. What? Been wanting to buy this hair, but my problem was, okay, the money was there, everything was there, the time was there, but I was so scared to go to Dragon City alone. Like, so I just couldn't. But finally, Dragon City ke mo ke yang, and this is what I came back with. I am so, and I just came on this app to install my very first 22. I have a mirror right here. I prefer looking at myself in the mirror because I do not want to make any mistakes. So baby. So I'm just going to comb it, obviously, because I'm actually trying to remove any hair that would disturb me. I'm using the straightener just to make the hair. I think it's going to make things easier for me if I start by once I make mistakes, I'm gonna hate myself for that. Yo, I can see the vision already. Since you want to enjoy what do you call this? Concealer, because the concealer that I use for my contour is darker, so that's the only thing that works when it comes to my weaves. Look at that. Look at that. I still need to, what's this? That thing. Tweeze. Yeah, something like that. I still need to do that. Yeah. I thought there was no need, but now I see, girl, you gotta make a plan. I'm gonna take my weave and do that, right? This is how the lace looks. I didn't apply the rest of the lace because obviously I'm going to cut this part. Okay. Okay, so other people prefer putting glue than cutting the lace after, but I prefer cutting the lace before applying the glue because it's just going to confuse me. I have to make sure that it makes sense because I'm not a professional. So I'm just going to do it my way, which I think is going to be the best. So let's cut the lace. This is just what I got out, which is not that bad. Please, this has to come out good. Okay. This part makes me cringe. So now the weave is cut on the sides. But when I'm doing this, I remember the day I was doing my 8-inch. I did the worst. But it was my first time anyway, so I could not be perfect while I'm obviously doing it for the first time. Oh, we halfway done. We are halfway done. My hair, so I'm just going to move this thing a little bit. So I put this out and then so let's put it on. So I'm going to start with this part, the front part, and then and then I'm going to do this. Oh god. Yeah, I'm gonna feel like Chinese. Come on, Chinese. So I'm going to apply the glue again where the glue did not stick, which is here. I'm going to spray just a little bit. This part as well. Actually, I'm going to do the rest of the line of the glue. Help that phone job because get fun, Jay. So now I'm just going to use this part of the comb to just make it stick. I want to cut this and make it like a baby hair or something. I think it's going to make sense like that, right? Yo, lace wear, babes, lace wear. Oh, lace wear, where TF is the lace? Where? No, we can still see it. Okay, let me just stick it on. Let's just stick it on like that, and then we'll see. Okay, so now I'm going to, let's see. We almost gonna get to the lace wear part. We are almost there, baby. Okay, I don't like this part. I don't know if it's me or this is how they shape the hair, but I just don't like it. But this part, I like this part. Yeah, this part's this, which is what they gave me at Dragon City. It came out with the hair, so I'm just going to do that. Check your lapide. Oh. There we go. While waiting for that, I'm going to play with this part. I found the word tint. I have to tint the wig. A straight line here because I just want it to be simple. For now, we just want the hair to be simple, with no drama, with no too much off. Whatever. Oh, there's the line. I got it. Wow. That's why I prefer looking at. I prefer looking at the mirror because I can't clearly see on my camera. So yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna start by. What's this called? Using the hot comb to just. I'm so scared of burning myself. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Ouch. I'm not gonna apply the what's this thing? The wax again because it looks like it's still there. Right? So there we go. I'm just trying to fix this part. Okay, but what's happening here? I don't like what's happening here. Ooh, baby. Yeah? Desperado. Many. Ooh. Let's unwrap and see how it's looking. I'm dying, but I chose to be in front of the camera. I just want to do this part. So this is the final look of my wig. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.